Hey guys, it's me, Javier from Bricks on Bricks. Today we will be building a Lego Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Bricks. Please subscribe and like. Don't forget to like. We always need the likes. And guess what? You should always look at the shorts. They crack me up even though I'm the one making them. Bye. Okay. Yeah, he's true about the shorts, but we are making a rainbow sandworm. And a rainbow hole sandworm was what I meant to say, sorry. But a rainbow hole is the cousin of a black hole. You probably know what a black hole is, right? It's the thing in space that sucks up things, right? Yeah. I'm pretty sure everyone knows it. Like, it's literally in the kids' imagination. So, but the colorful hole is like an even stronger cousin. It's very strong. It can suck up full cities in like seconds and suck up a whole planet. And it's super cool. So my friend made up the colorful hole. I thought it was kind of funny, so I wanted to combine it with a sandworm. Sandworms are like ferocious beasts. If you watch the movie Dunes, yeah, that's a sandworm. But if you don't know what a sandworm is, the real version of a sandworm is just a cute little thing that hides in sand in the deserts. But in the movie, it's like on a whole nother level. So we're combining those two things to make the colorful whole sandworm. Let's get started on the head. Bye. So guys, what we're gonna need is a lot of these cylinder bricks, any color. Since this is a rainbow hole sandworm, we're gonna get any color you want. Get these and make like a square formation in the middle of the 8x8 plate. Keep doing that until you have a 2x4 space in the middle. That is pretty cool if you ask me, because I like the colorful touches we have to it, because I think that's just cool. And then get just any color studs. I like this color. And then stick them into the middle. It's really fun to see this come all together. It's going to be kind of horrifying when we finish. So we have the mouth. Then get like any plates you can find. Like, I'm talking any plates, any color, and just stick them on, well, they're actually bricks, but just stick them on the outside layer of this big square shape, ring. Keep doing it until it's all covered. Yeah, all covered. And once you have like one layer, do another layer. Yeah, we want it to have a big mouth, so it'll be more scarier and more like a sandworm. So after you get both layers done, nice job, then you will get any plating, and surround it on the top. It doesn't matter what kind of plates you're using, just as long as it covers the top. We need it to cover the top, to be honest. We always do. So after you cover the top with plating, your head is done. Not yet, though. So to make the connector piece to the full body, you're going to get these connector pieces, which a ball socket on the front, so it can actually connect in its formation. And then you're going to put this orange 2x2, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. But it doesn't have to be orange. Just put it below that. Put it below that. Then get a 1x2, any color. Put it on the other, so it's like this. Get another 1x2. Put it right there. Boom. Get another 1x2. Put it on the side. Boom. You have the neck. Now turn this to the back and stick it right in the middle. Boom. Finished head with its connector. Move it to the side. Then we're going to show you how to build the body. So in the body, you will have to have, the bottom is an upper cheese slope, any color, on both sides. And the base of the body at the bottom is a 1x3 any color. Stick them on the very edge like this. Then you will need a 1x2, even though on any color in the middle. Then get your connector and put it right there. Then you're going to get these pieces. Get a 2x2 any color and put a 2x2 on both sides, so it'll look like this. Then get more 2x2s, put them on both sides again. Then get a 1x3 brick and a 1x3 brick. Place them in the middle. There should be 4 studs on each side, openers. Then get a 1x2 brick, put them on each side. Then get a downward cheese slope, get 2 of them, then put them on each side. And then get a 1x2 1 cheese slope, just one like this, put it in the middle, towards this kind of clipper, like this side of the clipper, and then make as many of those as you can. For me, I could only make 5, but I want to really give y'all treatment, so let's do ASMR, baby. Yeah, let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. So now that we have this big, long body, it's really nice, you're going to do the end of the tail. So the end of the tail will be this clipper connector, and then put up this 2x3 on top right there. Then get a 2x2 any color, stick it right there. Then get this piece. It's like a really long cheese slope. Don't know what it's called. Put it facing this way, not the way the clipper's at. And then get it where it connects, and then click it. Oh yeah. On the very end. Now all you need to do is get your head, and then you got this very terrifying like worm thing, what I said at the start. And it makes this very terrifying noise. You want to hear it? Okay, let's do it. Oh! Wow, that's terrifying. Guys, I feel like this thing could eat me. Like, it can suck up whole cities. It can eat me like, guys, before I go, subscribe!